Hello everyone. Now for this video we can check how to set up the head map for this new Western Digital 6 TB hard drive. Now we can get the ID information, and the software has got all the ID information including its model number, and this is sector 0. We can find out at the ending of the sector the 55AA, the partition mark. Now let's try to set up the disk image project, and then we select disk image to continue. Here we have set up one VHD, but this one is not enough for this pension drive. So we can create one new, and we can see this is 6 TB VHD to be set up. Now we can create, and later we close, and this newly set up VHD will be selected automatically. So we click finish. After that we can enter the software, and then we can find out on the left side is head map. Then we click the Western Digital hard drive brand, and we can select this one, the Western Digital RYL series. Now click OK. So right now the software starts to set up the head map. Because for this drive it's not SMR drive, we cannot find this module 190, and therefore we can use this standard head map setup algorithm to get this head map set up successfully. So we just need to wait a little bit until the head map is set up. And this is one very important function to be used for the Western Digital hard drives with weak heads, or sometimes when users try to access to the data arrow with many bad sectors or some regular bad sectors. This indicate that the pension drive has some weak heads, so this is the best choice for this kind of pension drive to be handled for data recovery purpose. So now all we need to do is to wait until this map is set up. And this is a bitmap window. We can find out whenever users try to move the mouse over the block, and users can find the current LBA. And after the LBA has been set up to tell which LBA belongs to which head, and when users move the mouse over the block, and the users will find the current LBA and the current head number. And this one is very convenient to recognize the wickets and to tell the wickets from the good heads. So this way users can make best use of this function to get the data out of the pension drive safely. Now we can see the progress bar has indicated that it's already 65% to be completed. And sometimes it's also very helpful when we wait for the head map to be set up. We can right click on the bitmap window, and we can check the copy statistics and view the source drive, view the target drive. So this is right click menu. These are very helpful too. So for this video our focus is on the head map setup, so we can learn how to use other functions in other videos for this kind of new Western Digital hard drives with big capacity. Now we can see it's 85% now. We just need to wait a little bit longer and then the head map will be set up successfully. So we can check the log window. We can also check the progress bar. Either option is okay to find out if the head map is set up successfully or not. Now we can see 95. And this is one Western digital hard drive with purple color, and this one is common for the desktop Western digital hard drive with big capacity. And this capacity, sometimes we can see they have the 6 TB, 8 TB, or 4 TB, the purple colored label Western digital hard drives. And these drives, we can see it's easy to run the firmware repair or data recovery if users have the DFL data recovery hardware solution. Now we can check in the log window, and the head map has been set up successfully, and the total head for this pension drive is 8. So we can see the head map here on the left side, from head 0 to head 7, so totally 8 heads. If the top head is the head 7 and bottom head is the head 0, in case the head 7 is weak or has many bad sectors, so we can untick the head 7. We can image only the head 0 to head 6, so 7 heads to be imaged first, and then finally, after all the good heads are imaged, and then we go to the last head, head 7, to image. So by this way, we can see for this new Western digital hard drive, this head map setup plays one very important role in it. So thank you for watching the video.